Today we are going to look at the bottom of the Dayview calendar where we can see control items which are available for all overviews. If the program has started, the current date is already set by default. An arrival and end date as well as the number of nights are defined by the desired period. The end date is to be seen as the departure date. According to the entry of the departure date or the number of nights, the corresponding field is being calculated. We can shift the period by changing the arrival date. The weekday is displayed next to the date. We also need to consider the short buttons for the date entry. The letter T for today, Y for yesterday, and W for tomorrow. When we enter one of these letters, the date will be set automatically. This overview can be displayed up to 31 nights. Next to it, we have several buttons for sorting the display the way we need it the best. The button with the arrows allows us to select the display order according to either building, room number, three rooms, number of beds, or the name of the guests. The free beds are always being shown for the selected period at the top of the room plan. The button Select Color is where we can switch the colors according to gender, or guest code or reservation type, which depends on the default settings. The button T, as for type of list, is where we can switch the type of list to display the room plan either by rooms, beds, or automatically according to bookings with or without the fill beds. With the button P, like prices, we can see the price of the room or bed. The navigation bar for the period in the lower row are these 8 buttons which help us to shift the period. For a year, a month, a week, and of course a day, forwards and backwards. With the refresh button, we can refresh our data. All overviews will be calculated newly. Of course, it can also be refreshed automatically by clicking on the room plan and having worked with another window previously. The button with the suitcase starts the reservation form and enters the selected period for a new reservation. If a free date has been found, a reservation can easily be entered this way.